Hey Bob, have you seen any of the Star Wars movies? Good. Because I'm going to be relying on you heavily to come up with some cool Star Wars quips that I can use in this video to spice it up and make it more relevant. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Cristo and this is Bob, and together we're with Review Decide Buy. And today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the features of the Star Wars Sphero droids. We have the R2-D2 here and the BB-8. I'm more of a fan of the original series, so I'm going to be tailoring the discussion mostly on the R2-D2. From reading both boxes, the features seem to be fairly similar. It states that it has authentic movement, holographic simulation, droid-to-droid experience. Watch R2-D2 interact with other Star Wars app-enabled droids by Sphero, so you can have some droid-on-droid action. It has an enhanced radio system, authentic LEDs, and an integrated speaker. And it's Bluetooth smart. 60-minute charge. This is the droid you're looking for. Great reference. Let's open the sucker up. So, looking at the toy, it's fairly small. It moves the head and the arms as per the movies. It has rubber treads, and it basically looks the exact same as you would see it in the movie. Let's see what else is in this box. Legal guide, good workmanship. This is, I would say, the Rolls Royce of USB cables. So now we're going to download the app on our phone and start playing with this bad boy. So we have the terms of use and privacy policy, which are probably 8 trillion words, so I'm just going to accept and sell my soul to the devil. Enter your age. Enter your email. I'll skip that for now. And here comes that nostalgic beat. So as you can see, you can use the one app to connect to the R2-D2 and BB-8, and if you have any of the other droids as well. So let's connect. So location permissions are required to find Bluetooth, blah blah blah. Yeah, cool. Allow droids by Sphero to access the device locations. Absolutely. So after a quick firmware download, you can confirm that's the droid we're looking for. Give him a test run. So that's him getting get mad. That's for him to go forward with the third leg coming out. I don't know what this one is, but let's see. And let's try this one as well. This is him talking. Very cool, very cool. Let's explore more of the menus here and see what other capabilities there are. You can send him to patrol. And you can start exploring its surroundings and checking it out. And all the distance traveled and the acceleration is referenced onto the screen. You can draw a path for him. So let's do that with our finger. And he moves exactly the path that we've made for him. It's excellent. So there's also AR mode, where each of the droids that you purchase are able to explore and provide you details of the ship they're docked at. So because we have R2-D2, we're going to be using the Millennium Falcon. So now after we've downloaded the Millennium Falcon, we have to calibrate. So through movement we can actually go through and check the Millennium Falcon, see what's where. Look at some historical information. Really cool feature for those of you Star Wars nerds that want to check out. So you can also watch a movie with your droid. Let's pick Rogue One. So as you're watching a movie with him, he's going to be acting and reacting to some scenes. So in summary, I found this to be a very neat little toy. You can manipulate it and drive it around and set courses for it, invoke different emotions. You can make it malfunction. You download the Millennium Falcon map and you can go around the ship and see some of the history behind it if you're a big Star Wars nerd. Watching a movie, you can have it react emotionally to some of the scenes. It's also really cool that you can have it interact with another droid. It's going to be most tailored to children and those Star Wars aficionados. Some of the features which could be considered as cons is that it's more of a manipulative toy. There's not that much interaction with it. In the Spider-Man video, which we've done previously, link below, you can actually have more of a social interaction with the toy, but that's not as much of a case with R2-D2, which is somewhat inherent in the character. This is not a C-3PO, so it mostly just beeps and buzzes and drives about. So if you know someone who is a big Star Wars fan or whose children are, you can look at some more details in the link below that we've provided. Bob, you really didn't come up with any quotes that I could have used that relate to Star Wars. So, I mean, you had like one job to do, man. You really let me down. So it's like I'm doing this whole thing on my own. Okay, man. Okay. If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe, and send Bob and I some love, or only Bob. We are Review Decide By, and we will see you in the next video.